Four McGill University faculty associations have filed a court challenge against Bill 89. They say it's unconstitutional, and a key part of their objection is that the bill uses vague language, which they say gives the government broad powers in determining which kinds of strikes will be harmful to the public. So, how does Bill 89 affect people's right to strike?
Well, everybody can strike until it's declared that some services, by a discretionary measure, some services are important for the public and have to be provided.
Bill 89 was adopted in May and will come into effect in November. It will allow the Quebec government more leeway in determining what an essential service is.
But it also imposes additional burdens on parties during collective bargaining to come to essential service agreements.
In turn, this will allow the Quebec government to decide which strikes can go ahead and which won't.
They basically want to leave a discretion in the hands of the government to get rid of strikes. If the strikes cause serious damage to the public, not damage to health, not absolutely crucial damage. They are not satisfied with leaving only the essential services as they are presently defined.
This lawyer says that essentially what Bill 89 is trying to do is undermine a 2015 Supreme Court decision that held that the right to strike is constitutionally protected.
So who it does cover is actually quite broad. It could be municipal services. There's some people that think it could cover certain parts of the private sector. So until the minister tests it, it's very risky, and hence why I think it's important that it's now being challenged legally.
The McGill University faculty associations that are challenging the law say that Bill 89 undermines the collective bargaining process, and that it removes the only leverage that workers have, the ability to withhold their labor.
And we're seeking to have this overturned because we view it as a fundamental violation of Quebec workers' rights, not just professors, but all Quebec workers, because the law fundamentally undermines workers' ability to exercise their fundamental charter rights to freedom of association, which is and the right to strike.
Other Quebec unions say they are considering their own challenges to Bill 89 so that it doesn't come into effect in November.